Hello, today I'm in Honda Accord. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the mode button to change radio source. Then we've got the channel button to change radio station and volume button, thanks to which we can change radio volume. Then we can answer and end calls, go back and activate voice assistant, and also go back. Then on the right side of the steering wheel we've got the cruise control panel and the panel thanks to which we can navigate through speedometer display. Right here we've got the panel thanks to which we can enable lane assistant and distance from the other car assistant. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.